Saan nila ako dadalhin?
Veterans lang.
Dadalhin. I want to read it. Where is it?
Considering that as requested, attorneys Veronica Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared in the St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City.
Sinong kasama ko doon?
Ma'am, si VP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SILG Remulla. Ano gusto niyo, ma'am?
Request
Basahin ko pa to?
Yes, yung patient. Ay,
Ako na.
no. Hindi ko na rin alam bakit ganito na.
So may assisting physician. May gusto lang na pala.
Meron talaga.
May facility.
Kinlose nila sir. Kinlose.
Ayaw mo talaga ayaw mo
Decide siya.
yung ambulance nyo. Deadline.
Decide siya on her own. Pwede mo kami mag-request ng cameras.
Ano daw?
Pasukin ng general
Ano?
cameras.
Gusto mo? Palapitin ng mga
Palapitin.
media?
Opo.
Sige.
Lapit na. Go na. Go, go, go. Okay, double time, double time.
Ding! I-release mo ang media.
Release, 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 release. Go. Go na, sabi ni General. Lapit na. Si General lang nagsabi. Hindi, huwag po din kahit si General nagsabi.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hindi,
Ayaw ng hospital.
hanggang dyan lang naman yung camera eh.
Ayaw ng hospital.
Hanggang dyan lang sa inyo. Huwag nyo lang i-block yung side ng camera.
Alis na lang dito ang mga kwan para makita
Hanggang
ng
lang, para
camera.
makita ng camera.
Sige mo.
I-clear natin ito yung para makita ng camera.
Saan nila ako dadalhin?
Veterans lang.
Dadalhin.
We're going to bring it to the Veterans
I want to read it. Where is it?
Considering that as requested, attorneys Veronica Lopez has been examined by the physicians and cleared in the St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City. You are directed to transfer Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Medical Center, Quezon City.
Sinong kasama ko doon?
Ma'am, si VP, and anybody of your choice. May text tayo galing kay SILG Remulla. Ma'am, ang sabi ni SILG Remulla,
Yan din ang sabi niyo, tapos kinuha niyo ako kanina, dadalhin niyo ako sa correctional.
ma'am, hindi ma'am, tapos na yun.
Totoo.
To General Nick Torre from the SILG John Vic Remulla, transfer of Attorney Zuleika Lopez to Veterans Memorial Center. Dear General Torre, as verbally agreed upon, the transfer of Attorney Lopez to the Veterans Memorial Hospital shall be complied with respect to the House directive to transfer her. Please accord all security measures necessary to ensure her safety. Furthermore, please allow the untethered access of her personal physicians during her confinement. The attorney will also be afforded full visitation rights of the following people: Senator Bato de la Rosa, Senator Amy Marcos, Vice President Sara Duterte. Please be advised that all pertinent hospital safety guidelines should be followed, as well as hospital policies on visitation practices. For strict and immediate compliance, signed, SILG, John B. Cremulya. Ma'am, assurance yun.
I don't need your assurance anymore. That's what they told me in the house. And look where it brought me.
Dito, maraming witness.
Dito naman sasakay ka naman mo sa sasakyan ni
Pumayag sila
VP.
sa media, pumayag sila kay Senator Bato.
Ma'am, sasakay po
Pumayag
kayo.
sila sa akin.
Sasakay po kayo sa sasakyan ni VP. Kasama niyo po si VP sa sasakyan. She will be transporting you to Veterans Memorial Center.
Pumayag sila.
Hindi ka naman iiwanan ni VP, ma'am.
Sure yan, Nick, di ba?
Yes, sir.
Promise.
Of course, sir. Nandiyan naman si VP. They are just in one car. Okay, ma'am?
Padaan mo na, padaan na. Padaan na, padaan na. Ay, alala yun dyan.
VP, baka ma'am, paano ma'am? Paano?
Dito kami sa likod mo, ma. Huwag kang mag-alala.
Muna ako ha. Next.
Nicole.
Ano ba, te?
Walain mo, walain. Dino. Bangin yun, ay. Nakalihok na.
Same.